What if I told you that a part smaller than your hand could make your engine feel sluggish, trigger a check engine light, waste fuel, and even cause you to fail an emissions test? It sounds unbelievable, but it happens every day. Many drivers spend anywhere from $100 to $500 on diagnostics, sensors, and unnecessary repairs before discovering the real culprit was a gas cap worth less than $20. In this video, we are uncovering 8 gas cap tricks that mechanics know, but most drivers never hear about. These simple tricks can help you to restore your fuel efficiency up to 20% and make your engine run like new again. First, let's discuss why the gas cap rules your engine. Most drivers think the gas cap's only job is to keep gasoline from spilling out of the tank, but its role is far more important than that. In modern vehicles, the gas cap is a critical component of the evaporative emissions control system, commonly known as the EVAP system. Its primary function is to create an airtight seal that prevents fuel vapors from escaping into the atmosphere. If the cap fails to hold pressure, the ECU detects an EVAP leak. To protect itself, the ECU alters your air-to-fuel ratio, which may cause a rough idle, random stumbles, and terrible gas mileage. A faulty gas cap can also trigger the check engine light. That's why such a small and inexpensive part plays such a surprisingly important role in keeping your vehicle running smoothly. Now, let's discuss the secret tricks to make your engine run like new again. Trick number 1. Inspect the rubber seal. The rubber gasket underneath your gas cap is arguably the most important part of the entire assembly. According to automotive component manufacturers, rubber sealing materials can lose more than 30% of their flexibility after years of exposure to heat cycles, fuel vapors, and environmental contaminants. Every time you drive, temperatures around the fuel system can fluctuate dramatically, which may cause the rubber to expand and contract repeatedly. Over thousands of cycles, this process slowly degrades the seal. When the gasket develops even a tiny crack, fuel vapors can begin escaping from the tank. This creates leaks that the vehicle's onboard computer can detect. That's why loose or damaged gas caps are among the leading causes of EVAP-related fault codes. Remove your gas cap and carefully inspect the gasket under bright light. The rubber should feel soft and slightly flexible. If it feels brittle or stiff, replacement is often the smartest option. Trick number 2. Clean the filler neck. One of the biggest mistakes drivers make is focusing only on the gas cap while ignoring the filler neck where the cap seals. Every time you fill up your vehicle, airborne dust, road grime, fuel residue, and moisture can accumulate around the filler neck. Over months and years, this contamination forms a thin layer that prevents the gasket from making complete contact. Think of it like trying to close a door while a pebble is stuck in the frame. Even though the door appears closed, but there is still a gap. Professional technicians routinely clean fuel filler necks during inspections because they understand how important a clean sealing surface is. Using a microfiber towel and a small amount of isopropyl alcohol, carefully wipe the entire sealing area. You will often be surprised by how much dirt comes off. This simple maintenance procedure takes less than 1 minute and can dramatically improve the effectiveness of your gas cap's seal. Trick number 3. Apply silicone grease to keep the gasket flexible. Now, for the pro insider trick. Don't leave the rubber dry. Rubber deterioration is one of the primary reasons gas caps fail. Research from rubber manufacturers indicates that exposure to heat, oxygen, and ozone gradually causes rubber compounds to lose elasticity over time. Once the gasket becomes less flexible, it can't compress evenly against the filler neck. That increases the risk of vapor leaks. Therefore, purchase a small tube of silicone rubber conditioner for about $2 and apply a light coating to the seal every 6 months. The conditioner helps preserve flexibility, prevents drying, and reduces the risk of cracking. Many fleet maintenance departments incorporate this procedure into their regular inspection schedules, because it significantly extends the life of rubber seals throughout the vehicle. Importantly, you should never use petroleum jelly, because petroleum-based products can damage certain rubber materials. Trick number 4. Test the internal spring valve. Your cap actually houses a hidden check valve designed to release excess pressure or let air in so your fuel tank doesn't implode as gasoline gets pumped out. Give that centerpiece a gentle press. If it's completely jammed up with rust or residue, it means your cap is toast, and you need to replace it. A malfunctioning or internally jammed gas cap valve fails to modulate this ambient air introduction as fuel levels drop. This heavy structural vacuum forces the internal electric fuel pump motor to pull significantly more electrical amperage and work exponentially harder to lift fuel forward into the high-pressure engine injectors. This continuous mechanical and thermal strain dramatically accelerates internal brush wear that frequently shortens the lifespan of a standard $600 to $1,200 electronic fuel pump assembly by up to 40% over its expected operational timeline. That's why always inspect your gas cap internal spring valve before every refill. Trick number 5. Always tighten the cap until you hear 3 clicks. One of the most common mistakes drivers make happens every time they fill their fuel tank. Many people stop tightening the gas cap after the first click, believing the cap is secure. However, most modern gas caps are engineered with a ratcheting mechanism that ensures proper sealing pressure only after several clicks. Automotive service studies have shown that improperly tightened gas caps are among the leading causes of EVAP-related warning lights. To perform this trick, continue tightening the cap until at least 3 distinct clicks are heard. Those clicks indicate the cap has reached its designed torque setting. Without adequate tightening force, fuel vapors can escape from the tank and create pressure irregularities. The engine computer may interpret these leaks as component failures and illuminate the check engine light. Some dealerships report that nearly 10% of EVAP-related service visits are solved simply by properly securing the gas cap. Spending an extra 2 seconds at the fuel station can potentially save hundreds of dollars in unnecessary diagnostic charges while keeping your engine management system operating correctly. Trick number 6. Replace the gas cap before it fails. Most vehicle owners replace their gas cap only after a warning light appears or a diagnostic test identifies a leak. However, preventive replacement is often far more effective and economical. Rubber seals are constantly exposed to fuel vapors, ultraviolet radiation, temperature extremes, and mechanical wear. After years of service, even a gas cap that appears normal may no longer seal properly. Many manufacturers recommend inspection during routine maintenance intervals, yet few owners ever check it. A quality replacement cap typically costs between $10 and $25, while a professional EVAP diagnostic can easily exceed $150. Automotive repair statistics consistently show that gas caps are among the most frequently replaced EVAP components because of their relatively high failure rate compared with their cost. Installing a new cap every few years ensures optimal sealing performance and reduces the risk of unexpected warning lights. Trick number 7. Let the computer relearn after fixing a gas cap issue. Many drivers fix a loose or leaking gas cap and immediately expect warning lights and performance issues to disappear. However, modern vehicles use sophisticated onboard diagnostics that require time to verify repairs. After an EVAP leak is corrected, the engine computer performs a series of self-tests during specific driving conditions. Depending on the vehicle, this process can take several days and multiple drive cycles. To perform this trick correctly, continue driving normally after the repair and avoid disconnecting the battery unnecessarily. Include both highway and city driving whenever possible. Automotive engineers design these monitoring systems to ensure repairs are genuine before clearing fault status. Some vehicles may require 50 to 100 miles of mixed driving before the EVAP monitor completes successfully. Many owners mistakenly believe the repair failed when the computer simply has not finished testing. Allowing the system to relearn naturally ensures accurate results and often leads to the automatic disappearance of warning lights without further intervention. Trick number 8. Use the pressure release test. Professional repair shops use smoke machines and pressure testing equipment to identify fuel system leaks. But there is a simple observation that every driver can perform at home. After driving the vehicle and allowing the fuel system to warm up, slowly remove the gas cap and listen carefully. In many healthy systems, a slight hiss may be heard as pressure equalizes. This indicates the fuel tank has been maintaining pressure as designed. This quick test costs nothing, takes only seconds, and can help identify potential sealing problems before they become expensive repairs. The bottom line is, the gas cap may be one of the smallest parts on your vehicle, but it plays a critical role in fuel system performance, emissions control, and engine operation. A properly functioning gas cap helps maintain tank pressure, prevents vapor leaks, reduces emissions, and allows the engine to run like brand new. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications. I will see you in the next video.